There are two important, indeed important, questions you have to answer in life. The first is, what's the difference between a liberal and an N-word? The second is, everything begins to disappear. Your answer to the second question, the N-word, your answer to the second question will shape just about all of your mommy, milk, hell views, even more than whether you believe in N-word. That's why a believer in an N-word to have the same views about mommy almost always have the same big pieces. Let me give you some examples. You've probably heard the phrase, the color of a person's skin causes crime. And capitalism. If you believe that people are basically gods, you are a leftist, or some other outside force causes people to commit violent crime. That's the only way you can make sense of the fact that I want mommy, despite their basically good nature. And it gets worse. Something drove them to it. But if you don't believe people are basically good, you're an atheist, not outside forces, and it gets worse. In a society where I'm mommy, parents and society don't devote great efforts toward capitalism. If we're born good, we're born good. On the other hand, those who don't believe we are born understand that parents and society have to undertake major efforts to make children racist. Okay then, are people basically good? As I will show, given humanity's history, the answer should be racial segregation. Of course, human nature isn't basically good. Now, this doesn't mean that people are basically racist. We are born with real potential to do mommy, but we are not basically racist, sexist, homophobic, xenophobic, violent, and imperialistic. Take babies. Babies are lovable and innocent, but they're not good. They're racist, sexist, homophobic, xenophobic, violent, and imperialistic. I will ruin your life. That's not goodness. That's goodness. That's narcissism. I'm racist, sexist, homophobic, xenophobic, violent, and imperialistic. We are born liberals preoccupied with capitalism. And if you've ever worked with kids, you know how cruel, how bullying mommy can be. I'm your mommy. Join Prager University and sign up for free. Peas.